Hi, my name is Katie Talbert and I'm the librarian here at Woodgate Intermediate. This is my 12th year in education, my 9th year at Woodgate, and I absolutely love working with kids and instilling a love of literacy amongst all students. Fun fact, if I wasn't a teacher, I think I would be a food critic. That job just seems so appealing, to have people bring me food, hang on my every word, wanting to know if I like it or didn't. So I think that would be my job if I wasn't a teacher. This year, I hope that your child finds books that they enjoy reading. I also hope to teach your child how to access and acquire information, and then once they have that information, how to evaluate information appropriately. The best thing that you can do for your child this year is encourage them to read. Reading improves and develops cognitive skills. It increases your vocabulary, your knowledge of words, and also teaches empathy. And that's really important, and we need that today. I hope that your child enjoys their library time and finds at least one book that they enjoy reading. My conference period's at the end of the day from 2:48 to 3:55. I enjoy working with your child this year. Thanks.